Give me just 1 second.
All right, folks, how you guys doing? We're talking about some Dent machines here. Where this is the new T Hotbox system. Look at that. Ooh, we got all the bells and whistles. Look like an iPhone, dude. So we're doing a demonstration. We'll come up over to Mario. We're gonna do some. This is Ralph over here. All right, Ralph. Let's see what we're doing here.
Hi guys, my name is Ralph.
Give me your mic, please. Okay. Hold on, let me give you your mic real quick, okay? There you go.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Hi, my name is Ralph for Betaginnovation. We produce the Hotbox. Okay. This is the new version. This is the Pro version. The main difference is you get multiple adjustments you can do. You can set the power more precise. You can set the time. And then you have the magic function. In the magic function you have 8 settings, 8 settings that you can save. So if you're working in different cars, you can save the settings that you like. Okay. And the other one is you can change between settings. So when you're working on the roof and you want to adjust the power, you don't have to go back and adjust it on the unit. You can do it on the roof by pressing it twice.
Okay, cool.
And pressing the button twice.
Okay.
The other thing that's new is the tool head. Okay. So this here is the old version, or the standard one, and the M is the new one. So it's more power than the previous one. And the other thing, it's got more focus in the center.
Got it. Okay.
So it's got a 30% more power on the tip.
Okay.
So when you start with small dents, okay. Let's say you got some small hail dents. Can you see them?
Yep.
Okay. So just over pull it, you get the heat in, it's a little bit expanded, let it cool off when it goes down. So the previous version was not able to pull out the center on it, but the new version we can get out the center of the small dents. So one way to use it on the small dents, just go straight in the middle, pulls up the center.
You look like you're a bit offset. You're not really right over it. Is that accurate?
No.
No, you'll go right over it.
I was right on it.
Okay.
Because you want to be right here in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say if it gets a little bit bigger to this, now it's getting a little bit on the limit to get it perfectly done. So what you do, 2 beeps, lift it up. Okay, so it's high. Okay, so what you would do is you go back with the knockdown, open it up again, the same as the glue, and pull it again.
Yeah, because my earlier version I was doing, like, it wasn't that accurate, that strong.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
So this one gets more of the center.
Okay.
Okay. And then the other application is, let's say, you're good. Thank you, sir. So it's not gonna, if you have got a deep center dent, it's not gonna pull out the center.
Yeah.
Okay. But what you do is you can bring up the center, and then you've got some nervous stuff happening around it, or you've got a glue dent you used to glue on, and you got some waves, ripples on it. So on that one, if you go in the middle of a big dent, it gets bigger. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you do is you start on the outside, slowly walk to the center, walk it in, and then just brings it up. Okay.
What's the price of the?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I just make it.
Go to Anson. Anson.
Go to Anson.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
He's the distributor.
So what generally, it's
he's a maker.
It's gonna make normally. It's gonna make you about 10 to 20% faster on a hail job. Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
That's a lot of time. It's not gonna fix all the dents. You have to look at it more as a finishing tool to clean up the small stuff, to help you on the glue. You know, sometimes on deep dents, when you're using the glue, it's tough to get the center out. So what a lot of guys do, they first use the Hotbox to change the molecules in the center, and then use the glue.
Okay.
In combination with the glue.
All right.
Okay.
Good deal. Thank you for the demo, though, Ralph. And then we can find this at ansonpdr.com. Go to here, check it out, and then check that new box out. A lot more stronger. I like that you can clearly see everything there. So.
And really important is make sure when you get it, the M version.
Okay, M version.
Okay. Because the older version has a lower price. This one does cost more. Okay. So make sure when you get it, the M version. Okay. And if you have the older version, this is the previous version here. Okay.
Yeah.
Which works perfectly fine. It's the same power level. Okay. But if you have the older version, all you need to get is the new tool head. Okay. And then you can always have the extension, or we have longer cables, even longer than this.
Okay.
But normally when you're working on the car, you put this on your trolley, or you can put it on the ground. You know, you can step it as a stool also. Multi-purpose.
Super strong.
Super strong.
It is well made.
Okay.
No worries.
Thank you very much, Ralph. Appreciate it. Now we're
Thank you, guys. Good job.
Thank you. Take the mic, dude. And we're going to move on to this CBH 200 here. So we're going to do a couple dents right here. All right, so one thing I want to tell you about the CB 200 or any power PR box is that you have to grind down the E-coat underneath, okay? And then you got to set the ground right here. So we're going to set that ground. We got that done. By the way, if you buy this thing is very, very strong. Super strong, and the dial, you need to turn it way down, okay? So 30.6. Mario's gonna do a little smash. Where are we gonna do it?
Yeah.
I think right there.
Yeah.
You be able to get that whole thing out? Oh
yeah.
Right there?
Yeah,
All
right there. Right there.
Okay.
All right.
Heck yeah. So this is for stretch dents. Generally what we do is we'll push a little bit to get it stretched, but then it wants to go like this, right? And so this is what this thing is going to be for, okay? So, see, it makes contact, little sparkies. Okay. Now, sometimes you need to start further out, Mario, like out here and shrink it, okay?
Yeah.
There you go.
And this is the minimum power, all right?
You want to turn it up a little bit?
No, it's okay. It's good that we are really careful without burning the paint, right? So as we are using it, we start to realize that from the outside it's getting shrinked, and then we can go to the center.
You can see it a little bit to the left of the screen. It's tracing, okay? Actually, why don't we push it first?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Huh?
Absolutely.
So this is a stretch dent. Sometimes when you're working this, you need to go a little bit further out and then come in. This dent's gonna then give it a second. Yeah. And then watch you push now. So this is what we're gonna do. Where's that tool we were using yesterday? There it is, right there's Mario. Oh, is it underneath the brace?
A little bit.
Oh, it's under the glue. Oh yeah, it just popped up, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay, now do your hot box thing.
Let's go with the hot box.
So sometimes that glue can hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn it up just a bit.
Yeah.
Turn it up just a bit.
The main thing on
Are
this...
you? Is it near a brace and you can't get on it, or what?
Yeah.
Did you hit it too close to the brace?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. So let's do another one just real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. This one we'll push that one. So Yeah.
Or here?
Go right. No. Yeah, go right there. Yeah.
No.
Let's just do that one for now. All right, go ahead. Yeah, I got it. Let's just do that for now, okay? Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I see it. No?
It's too low. I can't.
Too low?
Yeah.
Mike, you knocked off your, when you hit the panel.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
No wonder.
Oh, that's why.
Thank you. I was like, what the heck?
That's why. All right, guys. Take a look at this.
Oh, see, look at that.
You see? Once you started using it often, you'll get more experience, and you'll learn how to avoid the paint burning, you know, or knowing how to control how you push it. All right. Look at this. We didn't spend like.
So let's do another heavier one.
Okay. Yeah. Let me have that.
No, right here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. There you go. So that's stretched for. There you go. So, all right.
So you got to make sure that ground stays on, dude. He's our ground watcher.
You gotta make little contact from the outside.
And if it gets bigger, you got to go outside. Okay. There you go. I see it.
You got it?
Yeah, I can see the tracing. Yeah. Go a little further outside, Mario. There you go. You may have to let go because it's getting bigger. It's going out here. So let go. There you go. See, you got to let go. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And once it cools down, then it wants to pop. Okay? And then now start going from the outside again and walk it in. There you go. But be careful, folks. You will burn paint.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta be aware.
So you gotta let it cool
heat.
just a second. Then go to the other side, maybe. This is just mainly to keep it from oil canning, folks. Generally, we'll push first, and then we'll do the wand. I would generally, and then let go for a second. All right. Let it cool. There you go, and then give it some more love, dude. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah. You don't have to.
There you go. It's on the right side of the dent, folks. You can see now the whole perimeter of the dent's starting to come tight. Keep your fingers on it too. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot. It's really
hot, huh?
Yeah.
So you can take a cold rag sometimes too.
Yeah.
And then just cool it off.
Wrap it up.
You know what I mean? And then you can go instantly.
As you're using it, it's getting tighter.
And
Normally,
get that shoulder down just a bit. Right? Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. It's cold now.
Yeah. You're good. I think you're gonna see that want to really react now. So what you're watching, folks, is a machine. This is called the CBH 200, and it works by using a wand like this, right? He's using a button to hold that, and he's making contact. Yeah. He's just touching it, not
Just touching it, no
just touching
pushing
it, not
no
pushing,
not pushing.
just touching it.
And the main purpose is to check the metal up, right?
Tighten the metal up so it won't flop.
Yeah, normally you will push it first and then you start knocking down.
That's
and
generally what you want to do,
Yeah.
right? Because you speed up the time, right?
you speed out a lot of time.
So, look at that.
Look, we almost finished, you know? And as you knock it down with normal techniques of PDR, you'll notice that it's easy.
See, look at that. Look at that. Now he's just got to knock down.
Yeah, look at that.
You guys have any questions? I'm sorry the camera's so shaky. I don't mean to do that. I guess it doesn't work when we're doing YouTube videos, the stabilization here. So I'll try to straighten it out in a tutorial.
No marks, no anything. We just need to.
We're not gonna glass this dent out. It's just a demonstration.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out AnsonPDR.com. Don't forget to check out about our the Dent Trainer. You can see Mario on Dent Trainer. If you speak Spanish, he's got Spanish tutorials. We're gonna be combining the Spanish and the English tutorials together. And then if you are you want to learn more about, go to check out denttrainer.com. Also, we have a Mega Media event June 1st and the 2nd, and a big Dent meetup at the San Diego shop in Dent Time over there in Escondido, like San Diego area.
Yeah.
So don't forget to
Good
be
things
there.
coming.
Okay?
Good things coming.
So if you guys have any questions, leave some comments in the bottom. We'll get back to you later on. Thanks a lot.
Peace.
See ya.